Right there we have my Instapot. Here I've got 4 large chicken breasts and a couple packages of Siete spicy taco seasoning. We're going to cook these in the Instapot for 20 minutes in 2 cups of water seasoned with the taco seasoning. Doing these raw chicken breasts fully thawed for about 20 minutes is going to make them very shreddable. We're then going to shred that and make some soft tacos with it. Alright, I mixed that 2 packages of taco seasoning into 2 cups of water. We've got our 4 breasts there. We're going to dump the taco seasoning in here first and then put the breasts on top of it. There we have the taco seasoning with the 4 breasts. We're going to hit pressure cooker and set it for 20 minutes. Alright, we've hit pressure cook 20 minutes. High. Start. We'll be back.
Welcome to Off the Brim 80s and 90s movies, March 3rd, 7:30 Central.
My 20 minutes of cooking time is done. Now we're going to let it do a natural release for about 15 minutes before we release the rest. That keeps the chicken from getting tough if you let it naturally release. Let that go 16 minutes after it cooked to de-steam itself. We're going to release the rest now. Woo! Look at that. That looked good. Alright, I'm just going to wait a couple minutes and let that cool, and then I'm going to shred it. There are our 4 chicken breasts. This handy little thing here is a chicken shredder I picked up from Amazon. Thought we'd give it a try. Otherwise, I would just shred it with some forks in the pressure cooker. Holy cow, Tammy.
Is it working?
It actually works. we saw this in a video on YouTube because we watch a lot of cooking videos. Holy cow. Let me just move that piece there. Wow, it's actually working. That is so cool.
That's hilarious.
Look at that. Nice. I'll be back when I shred it all.
Join us every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central and 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Ow!
Alright, we got the flat top heated up. We're going to start heating up some tortillas for tacos. Got my spicy queso on there. Look at that bad boy. Doesn't that look good? Woo! Oh. That is so good. Let me go in for a second bite here. That is so tasty. That chicken shredder from Amazon really worked out great, didn't it, Tammy?
Yeah. I'm shocked.
Yeah, I mean, I'm impressed with how well that thing worked.
Easy peasy.
Woo! These are so good. I'm going to make the rest for Tammy, Max, and myself. Again, quick, easy way to make chicken shreddable in the Instapot, and you can make some good shredded tacos with them or anything else. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. We have the taco seasoning with the 4 breasts in there. We're going to hit pressure cook on.
Yeah. Drop day morning, phones in hand. Austin, Scally noon, that's the plan. Folky Brim Swisher, peaky live. Refresh the page, don't blink, don't try. Flat caps low, newsboys warn. Gas beach broken and rain or storm. Under the brim, that's how we move. Off the brim, same hard groove. Had hustling, catching all them drops. Under the brim, till the clock won't stop. Dubs had hub reviews with Moose and Ox. 508 Airborne, all that can stop. Had hustling, pages reload. Missed one drop, still on the road. Had hustling, head down, brim low. That's the life, if you know, you know. Off the brim, 2026. Tell them it's Roundtable in the mix.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.